Assalamu alaikum my dear student. Today I will be going with your practical number 2, that is the SOP2, which is used to create a HTML and CSS code. Here it is told as the top section should consist of heading has tourist place. And see here, this is the what the heading should be given as tourist place, and section of the left hand list of the city, and the right display the tourist places of any one of the city. Okay, I have given any one of the student. I have not in, if you have given them, just we have to go with the interlink. So just one city it have given up. Okay, now what I should be doing up, I will be putting certain things in this web page. Now see here, I've taken a meta char set, that is UTF-8 header, which is this is your header. So I have put as header text alignment center, background color equal to sky blue, and width equal to 100. So the width will be the 100% and the height will be only 20%. The full screen it will be taking up. Now again the navigator, this is then it is divided into navigator. This is one of the navigator. I have given a background color equal to pink. I have given here colors difference can be done up. Width equal to 30%, height equal to 60%, float equal to left. Let me show you how it will be looking up so that you can able to understand. This is how it will be looking up. See, this is the width I have given as 30%, width is 30%, and height, that is this is the height. If I give, just let me show you, if I just put the height has equal to 40%, here also I will be putting height equal to 40%, and just I save the my file with the okay, and I just go with that. See, only the height you have seen the changes. This is the height. If I give the width, that is the width has 40%, and here I have given as 60%. File I just save as save, and just have run it. It will be going up with this. This is how the screen will be looking up. Okay, and then I will be float to the left, means this this is one of the CS property, floating, so it will be float to the left side. Next I then after navigator I divided it into one section, and that section I have taken as this is one of the section I have divided up, and just I have given light yellow. So say this is light yellow I have given, and this again the same thing I have put CSS style I have put it up. Now after that, after closing the style and the head, I will go with the body section. In that body section I use DIF, that is division of the screen. So I use DIF, and DIF after that I have given header border equal to 4. This is the border equal to 4 and H1. Now whatever I have written, it is in between. Okay, means as I have put it here, the alignment is center, so it will be showing it in between. Okay, next here, if you will be going again division, then this one of the already one division, so one division is closed up. Next again the next it go with the division, and now I am using the navigator. In that navigator I am putting H3 alignment equal to left city. So alignment here is left, and it is I have written as city, and heading I have taken as city, and I have made a order list on left side and put it in 1 2 3 4 form. As default it will be taking 1 2 3, so I have not mentioned order list type, so it is defaulting taking as 1 2 3. Next here, if you go with this list, Mumbai list Goa, and all I have put it up. Then after this the division is closed, means the next part, the division part of the screen is closed. Now the next division part I am opening up, that is DIF I am opening up. Now what I am going with, in that section I am putting up, and this is what it should look, tourist place in Pune. I have given as paragraph. I don't want to give the paragraph, just want heading H3. Okay, and putting here also H3. See what happened. File, save, and just I run up. See, this is how it will be looking up. Okay, the heading will be the same. As I have closed the heading at the last, it will be showing in a bold, and if I am just close in above section, then only the tourist place in Pune is written. Next I have made an unordered list around. If you also in unordered list, there is a circle dot section here, right? Means it is defaultly use circle. So unordered list I have given a section again. section again H3 code, tourist place in Pune and that. Now see here, section is closed here. Again this section, when it's closed, then the one part of means the division I have taken into three parts, and in three parts I have, the top part is for the header, the left and right part I have taken for the navigator, and other for the section. And then I have closed my application, that is I have closed all the part. Now see here, first of all I want to show you that each and everything, again I'm going with some of the important things. See, whatever I started with the style, and see here, the when we started with the style, for each and everything I am writing the style. Okay, now for each and everything I am writing them differently. If I use here select a class selector, then in the class selector I have to call here. Instead of that I just written it individually. So style for the header I have given up, and you see these braces why I have made, so that you can be able to understand how the braces are closed. Okay, next here you will be seeing the navigator also, background. Okay, and see here the background color equal to pink, width equal to whatever the width you will begin, that exact will be the screen will be looking up. Next is background. Again I have got curly braces should be closed, otherwise it will not show you the exact coding thing. Okay, this is how the style. After creating all the style of every part, then I have to close the style and have to close the head. And then after closing the head, I start with my body tag, and in body tag I am dividing into three parts, that is the header part, the navigator part, and the section part. Understand? And that again I have used order list here. I have to use two type of list, that is the order list and unordered list. Order list by default I have not mentioned it, so by default it has 1 2 3, and in unordered list also I have not mentioned whether it should be this also, so it has mentioned circle or dot. Okay, now see here, when you are starting with the division, you for the first part you should close the first part with the, means you are starting with the header, so header should be closed. Okay, and divide. Similarly, this is how you will be cleaning up. Similarly in the second part also, after order list and everything, and division started with the section. Okay, here see, division started with the section, and have started with the section, I have closed with the section below itself. So for each and every, you should not be closing all this div file at the last. If you will be closing at the last, the file will not be working as properly. May I show you some of the things? See how it will be looking. Just I show you. Sometimes in proper way it will be functioning, so better I show you. Let it be Control V. One of the divider here. This is navigator. Okay, I just take this one. Okay, taking this one, cut, enter, Control V. Now just see what it have. The coding will be going on. Just I give a save as, and just I have to see. It will be dividing, but I have to divide. Now let me take for the header also. Okay, so that it will be able to understand you for the header also. Just I take a mistake when you sometimes have, you write here. Now see, just save here. Now see what it will be showing you. The same thing little bit, but it should not be stand after the body tag. It should be above the body tag. So again I am putting it back to its normal positions. Okay, so let me show you some mistake. Sometimes we write a coding and some things mistake we are doing. Cut I have given, and at the last I put it here. See what will be going, what will be the outcome. We should I have put the header down. Now see what will be the outcome. Say if I have given what it show. The same thing is again repeated, means anything in between, means because it is written within the body. Let me show again. I'm just opening it. See, some or something you have seen here also, some portion. So better write each and every code properly and very nicely so that you can able to understand. So better whatever the header, you can put it below also and nothing will happen. See, or whatever I put, because it will be considering that the header will be on the upper part of itself, whatever header footer will be the below part. So I'm putting it here itself only. Control V. Okay, now here section, all these things you have seen, each and every video I have mentioned you. This is how the coding should be done. Okay, hope you are able to understand the way the coding is on. Nothing see so much lengthy we are thinking, but a simple thing you can cut and copy paste and everything can be done up. So header part, background, width, everything is done up with height, float, section, background, everything we have put it here, and this is how our coding looks. It looks very nice that coding is working up with. Now hope from this practical session only you will be able to understand how to create the web pages. Simple things, simple codings are going up. So I have linked with this coding the web page to create with the HTML and CSS. Hope you will be able to understand my video and start writing your coding or practice this coding in your computer or in your mobile and start doing it so that it make you to understand easily the HTML5. Okay, Jazakallah khair. Please subscribe my channel so that the further video whatever I am linking it up, it will soon be available to you. Jazakallah khair. Ameen.